안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 아누슈레아입니다. 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 학생이에요. And I have been joining HACD classes, the Hallyu Archetypal Culture Delegation. So this organization provided me free sessions like to a lot of people. So I have been joining them, and we had classes about Korean history. We learned about the Korean history, and these all classes were quite amazing. All the teachers were interactive, and each student got a mentor for themselves. I got Seong Honni. She has been a great help to me, and we were asked to make newsletters, so-called newsletter, but these were the PDF or the PPTs in which we had to make all of the stuff which we have studied during these sessions. So these classes were held every Thursday, since they're held in a week, in a day, in a week, so it didn't consume much of time, and they were great. And as promised, I have received the participation certificate. This is the package which I got, and I was so excited. So here it is, HACD. This is me, Aanushreya Duggy, which I have got. So I have already emptied it, so it has nothing. So I really want to show what I have got. These were the sticky notes. The sticky notes, they were quite amazing. I got this pouch, and this pouch was given to me as an award of participation, something I really don't remember. And this is a diary. See, it is so beautiful. 너무 이쁘다. Sorry if my pronunciation goes wrong. And this is a box. HACD Korea. Are you able to see this? Okay, so I thought that it was had a pair of chopsticks, but unfortunately or fortunately, these are some quite lovely pencils. I really love them. Most of them have plastic cover, but this is so amazing. It has Jeju National Museum written on it. Okay, and after this I have got, wait for it, I have a lot more to show. I have got this. It's a calendar. Okay, the best thing which I got was this postcard from my mentor. She is lovely. I really want to meet her. And see, it's the image of Korea, Hanguk. So I really want to read out what it has. Dear Aanushreya, hello, I am mentor Seong Sung. I hope you'll cherish this activity as a good memory for a long time. Definitely, why not? Sorry. Also, and hope we can be eternal friends. Definitely. What it has written. Okay. 감사합니다. With love, from mentor Seong Sung. February 17, 2023. Thank you so much, ma'am. I really love you. 사랑해. And these were the stuff. These are like pamphlet stuff. It has all the things written. So this is Samsil Singo. This is Samguk Yosa. The scripture of heavenly code. And I have got some stickers also. I really don't know what they mean, but they're quite cool. I can put them on my study table. And here I have received a book, something sort of. This is also a pamphlet, and it's a pamphlet related to what all things Korean culture is great at. Like, it has the food, the Korean flag, hunger. Finally, I have something you would be jealous of. Chocolates, a lotto. Okay, and finally, I show you something of great. Best award, Aanushreya Duggy. Okay, and here is certificate of passionate award. See here, passionate award, and certificate of participation. So I want to tell some truth to you guys. I really joined these classes because I would get a certificate, and I was not sure that I would get this certificate in my hand. Okay, like a hard copy sort of thing. I thought that I would get a soft copy, and I really wanted the certificates. These are of great use when you go to college. So I really joined this class due to this, but they have turned out to be great. Thank you so much, and I will definitely join. So these were the things which I got in season 1. Season 2 is going on, guys. Hang on. I will show you more stuff which I received, and when the season 2 will end, I will become become the reporter of HACD and I'll get a, I don't know what stuff, ID card, hang on for that. And thank you so much. 너무 고맙다.